Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Monday, February 10th at 6:15 in the morning. We are expecting some freezing rain, sleet, and snow in the next few days, so it'll be a perfect time to be out in the shed in the mornings to draw and continue on with the coloring book. Um, so today I drew an owl. Not sure whether it's a true representation of a barn owl, but it's an owl nonetheless. Um, we would, on the farm, mom, she really loved all her wildlife. She loved her squirrels, deer that would come up, um, her birds. She was particularly fond of. She would feed birds outside all winter long. She would have a bird feeder out her side window while she was quilting so she could watch the birds and then listen to her game shows behind her on the TV while she quilted for 4 or 5 hours every morning. She was fond of her blue jays, her goldfinches, her barn swallows, and I think one of her favorites were the owls. Never did see them a lot, but they were there. They would hide out in the barn. We had a big elm tree in the barnyard area behind the house, and they would occasionally be up in there too. I remember growing up, rainy days were pretty awesome on the farm because you could run out to the barn, and if it was raining pretty good, or even kind of not pretty good, but it was better if it was raining pretty hard, you could hear the rain hitting on the tin roof above, and it sounded really cool, being in that big open space with the rain hitting the roof. Mom loved the fact that she had cats. I had a black cat, pure black, growing up, so she liked her cats and her dogs, and she attributed to not having much of a rodent problem to the owls and the cats on the property. I personally think that cats failed as cats, that we had anyway. I never really saw them go after mice, but she truly believed, and we didn't have a mouse problem. It was pretty cool. So on the owl, I decided just to have a big up front on the page with the owl with a barn in the background. It's not really, excuse me, what our barn looked like growing up, but it's a barn. So today I'm using, like every day, Micron 12.7 millimeter pen, the Micron here, and the pencil I was using a Mars, I guess it's a Lumograph 2B, to make this drawing. So we're about done here, filling in the feathers. Here's my final drawing, and have a great Monday.